There's three clinical trials I want to just quickly talk about, and that's Promise, Begin, and Simplify, that really are trying to understand how well modulators work in the real world. Promise is the biggest study we've ever undertaken at the CF Foundation, and its goal is to look at the effects of Trikafta. People are enrolled before they go on Trikafta, and then they're followed after they go on Trikafta. And despite all the troubles of 2020, we completely enrolled the study and actually had enough data to present the early preliminary results at the North American Conference. This is over 450 patients, and we saw in real world setting of their clinical care centers, a dramatic increase in FEV1, a 38 milliequivalent drop in sweat chloride, and a 12-point improvement in the CFQR. Promise started out with 12 years and older individuals and is now moving into enrolling patients that are 6 to 12 years old. And the Begin trial will extend that study to really examine people that are 1 to 5 years old to find out what happens when modulators that are very effective, like Trikafta, are given very early in life. Simplify is an entirely new kind of study for the CF Foundation. It actually is trying to decrease the burden of treatment. For many, many years, we've been trying to find new drugs and new treatment and just adding them on. And everyone in the CF knows how much work it takes just to get their daily activities done with all of the medications and treatments. Simplify is now taking a little bit of a different look to say, can we start cutting back? Trikafta is so effective, we might be able to cut back on really time-consuming treatments like pulmozyme and hypertonic saline. But we want to do that safely. And before we can recommend that, we need to understand, is it safe and for which people? So Simplify also started to enroll in 2020, and it's 25% finished, 25% enrolled now.